So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the car, we're gonna see exact how they repair it. And I noticed that the fog lamp on the left side doesn't start at all, guys. And except that, I can see the first warning light is the check engine and the second is the tire pressure sensor. Test drive the car only.
So right now we reach in the car.
You put in tiptoeing. I know this road have a speed camera as well, and I saw flash. Like 80% I'm thinking that was in my friend car. Like, hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Azool from Azool channel. As you can see behind me, the car is almost ready. So almost for 12 days, guys, I couldn't make any update for the 460 and other videos, guys. Really long story. I'm gonna explain you. I'm gonna explain everything. What's the reason I didn't post any video afterward, guys. But right now, this is the most important thing. This is the reason you click on this video. The car is finish. Yes, so what we're gonna do, first of all, guys, we're gonna take a small tour. We're gonna see what exactly they done to the car, how is the condition of the car, how's the paint job, because I couldn't have the time to come here and record the paint job. We're gonna start the car. We're gonna see what exactly warning light we have on the dashboard. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the car, we're gonna see exact how they repair it, and after that, of course, we're gonna take this car to take it to the proper car wash. Let's start our video. Let's start with the checking this amazing car. It looks so beautiful. Let's go. So let's begin to check the car. So first of all, we're gonna check from the front of the car. As you can see, the headlight running good, the HID, and of course the daylight, everything's good. The horn is good. But I find a problem, guys. As you can see on the right side, we can see the fog lamp properly on this side. But unfortunately on the left side, I noticed that the fog lamp on the left side doesn't start at all, guys. We're gonna figure it out what will be the problem. Except that, let's check the car from the interior, guys. I want to check some warning light. This is not good sign. At the moment we are inside the car, let's check the car from the dashboard. Let's see what exactly message, let's see what exactly warning light we have in this. Start the engine. I feel a little bit vibration on the engine. I'm not sure what exactly that's for, but very small vibration when the car starts. And except that, I can see the first warning light is the check engine and the second is the tire pressure sensor. Okay, but thumbs up, there's no any other major warning light on this. I just noticed the people working here, guys, they close the door so much hard because those doors, all of them have the soft closing door option. So that means you have to close very softly, very gently. It will be closed automatically. I'm not sure, maybe most of the people in here garage, they don't know about that option. This is how the LED daylight looking on this in this car, guys. So right now it's time to check the body condition, guys, the gaps, the fitting out they done to the car, guys. So this was the accident side, the left side. I can see the gap, it's good, but now I just noticed something. The height of the fender and the height of the bonnet, it's kind of not matching. I can see the bonnet's more on the downside, and the fender is a little bit high from this area, guys, but from that corner it looks good. And let's see on the right side, there's no any accident. From here also similar, not too much, but I can see the gap is more smaller on this side. On the left side the gap is more bigger. That's not good leveling on the car. I can see that. So those small things, guys, matter to me, because of course anyone can fix the car, anyone can paint the car, but those small attention to details matter on those expensive cars. But I can say the garage is not doing a good job at all, guys. I'm not really happy for the work has been done to this car from right now. Let's see more about the car, guys. So I was checking and I find some other problem as well. As you can see, the wiper, they didn't fix it properly. One of them already like a little bit up, and the second one is almost so much down, so they have to fix that as well. So the first problem is solved, guys. They fixed the wiper. The wiper, guys, was not adjusted properly. That's the reason. There was no any major problem on the wiper. Yeah, now the Viper looks good. Yeah, that's good, that's good. So the first problem is solved. Let's begin on the second problem, guys. So the second problem is, I think, adjustment for those rubbers. Those rubbers all belong to, I mean, the system for the mizania, for the leveling, guys. Now this is 2 up, I think. Call us, go. So sometimes the leveling is kind of easy, but you have to know what you're doing, guys. I just remember that all the cars have the small rubbers on the both side of the bonnet, so that's gonna give them the leveling. Yeah. एक और थोड़ा चाहिए.
This is down.
ये बहुत नीचे, हाँ. Small up. And the owner of the car just arrived with a very loud music, and he looked me in. Yeah. Mr. Samir is. So Mr. Samir actually arrived on the garage, guys, almost 2 hours late, guys. Check the car properly. There was some small problems. We fixed all of them. We fixed all of them, Owenna. We fixed all of them, and there's 2 big problems we couldn't find. Was the problem? The first thing, the fog lamp on the left side doesn't work.
Fog lamp?
Yeah, doesn't work on the left side, not right side. Right side's mine, I'm sure that. Yeah, and the other thing is the parking sensor. Both of them not working on the front and from the back. You want to finish it today? Why are they opening that? They want to open the battery, I think.
क्या मुश्किल बैटरी?
No, this is garage battery.
पुराना बैटरी किधर है?
Purana.
Yes.
This one.
Sir, है?
I know.
Testing here.
So tell me, I'm a little bit confused, Samir. What is exactly the plan? Because I called you in the morning, you tell me you're gonna come and take the car to the car wash to polish from inside, from the outside and everything, wash everything. So right now you're saying you're gonna not take it to the car wash, yeah? What's the plan?
I'll take it to the place.
Samir.
Look at me, look at me.
Sashi, majib. Sashi zip to majib.
Sasi? لا بعد ما يجي.
Aye, Samir. So they're talking about other car that he have to bring the parts, and still he didn't bring it. So tell me update. What's the update for the car?
The update of the car.
Yeah, talk louder. Let's take the car to the electrical owner. Let's take the car to the electrical shop, and let's see what they're gonna find the problem for the car. The fog lamp doesn't work, the parking sensor doesn't work, and there's some check engine and of course warning light on the dashboard. Let's take this car to the electrical shop. Ooh.
I'll change the battery maybe.
This is, if you want to try to off the car, you can start it back. What I tell you, the 460 need lot of like electrical power, so you have to change the battery new. Don't replace it. I mean, don't reconnection or don't replace it like on the second hand. You have to buy it proper new. Okay, so right now we came back to this place, guys. This is the same place. This is the same place, I'm saying, Samir. This is the same place which we buy all the spare parts, guys. So me and Samir, so we was on the way to go to buy a new battery, guys, and I forgot there's some small items still we forgot to fix from the car, guys. Like there's some small item still we didn't buy it, so we came here to take that small item as well. Then after that we're gonna go and buy the battery. So Samir, this place, I really love the owner of this place, very kind guy, and of course the way he designed, the way he buy all the parts, the way he organized all the parts, guys. I really love him, the way he do business, Samir. That's the item you're looking for, the small one. Take it from this car. Or you have to ask him, you think?
Oh, we have to ask.
You have to ask him. It's not gonna be good. Let's go and ask him. I think there's much 460, other 460 as well. Yeah. Samir, fast. We are almost out of the time.
We'll go up and.
Hello, Mr. Ali Zafar.
Good, bro.
How are you? Hello. So we just asked the owner, and he allowed us to take the part. He said, whatever you want to take it, just take it. He said, just give me the money. That's all we need.
Nakhra.
Yeah.
What do you mean, Nakhra?
Nakhra means I don't know what you were saying, but yeah. This is the part you're looking. And anything else? The middle one. Yeah, I forgot the middle one. Okay, I should ask Ali Zafar.
We take it for free.
We take it for free. I'm not sure we have to be really happy or we have to be really sad, Samir.
No, he give us for free.
For free, yeah. This makes sense, like the guy's really kind to give us the answer.
He love us.
Yeah, he loves us. Wait, he's asking me. Yeah. So our first stop, we came here to eat something, like still on the morning side, Samir, 12:30. And
12?
yeah,
10.
I mean 10:30. 12, and still we didn't eat anything. Let's see what is Samir's choice. You want to go with the sport drink? I mean the energy drink? This is sport drink. Yeah. I'll pay Samir. No, I'll pay.
Doesn't have change.
I know that. So at last we came to the battery shop. Now we're gonna go and buy the battery. Hello, my friend. And he's also my fan. He watched my YouTube as well.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. So we came to buy a battery for my friend, 80 ampere, right side. Give us a good price. We came from all the way from industry number 4.
80 ampere?
Yeah, 80 ampere right side.
Right side.
Okay, so we finished, I think, all the parts what we needed, the extra part. So this is the first cover. It comes up of the radiator condenser, and this is the intake for the air which goes on the engine computer to make it cool down. And of course we bought the battery as well. So I feel good, Samir.
Water.
And the water also we bought it, and I paid the money, Samir. I need my money back. Fuck. So right now we came back, and of course we buy all the items. So at the moment we're gonna drop only the battery. The small items should keep it in the car. Afterward we finish from this shop, then we're gonna put all of those covers. This is our battery, and remember I should give me the old battery, you know? Yeah. Okay. So right now we came back after long break, guys. As you know, from 1 o'clock till 4 o'clock in Dubai, in Sharjah, most of the places will be closed, guys. We're gonna go and pick up the car because my friend already gave it to the electrician guy who fixed all the problem very fast, and after that he take the car to the other place, because when he was driving the car there was many sound from under the car. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna go and see if they fix the problem for that car or no. If yes, we're gonna take it small drive, we'll see if everything is good, no any other problem. If everything is perfect, guys, we're gonna go and take it to the car wash. This is the plan. Let's go, we're gonna see the car. Not us, the car. Like 4 people came to check, to test drive the car only.
So right now we reach in the car.
Who's gonna drive?
I'll drive.
You'll drive?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna sit on front of you. Open the doors. So this is our first time you're driving the car without any warning light, yes, Samir?
It has one warning.
It has? Okay. Hello. You put in tip-toe ring? You know, just go speed and brake. See if just pull one side or no. Does it pull? No brake. It's your steering wheel pull somewhere, right, left. Yeah, it's pulling right.
The rim?
No, I don't know. No, the rim is original. So right now we came back to the place, guys. Actually, from the right side at the moment we can know there's pulling the steering wheel on the right side more. So at the moment they're gonna fix it. I'm not sure how they're gonna do adjustment. Okay. And the other thing I just noticed, still they didn't fix the fog lamp as well, guys. The only thing I think they fixed was the parking sensor, and that's all. Let me ask also if they fixed the parking sensor or no. Parking sensor is good?
Yeah.
Okay, so they only fixed the parking sensor and the check engine light.
Check engine light.
Osman. AC, yeah. But still the fog lamp they didn't fix it. Why? You didn't tell them? Did you mention? That's your mistake. So we're gonna go back to the Osman shop. Still we have the traction and the fog lamp also he didn't fix it. So we're gonna take back the car to the garage for the electrician guy to fix those problems. Let's go, Samir. I'll come with my car. Drive carefully. Before I thought the car looks so clean paint, but unfortunately the paint is not clean at all. So he will go to the garage, I'm gonna follow him back. So we are on the way to garage. As you can see, my friend's driving actually really fast, and the way he drive, like sometimes I'm scared to sit beside him. But this is how he drive, and mashallah till now he didn't accident in a hard way. So this is his car. I'm just getting love on this car, guys. Oh my god, just what happened exactly right now. My friend was going too fast. I know this road have a speed camera as well, and I saw a flash. Like 80% I'm thinking that was in my friend car. Like the flash get him. I mean the camera just got my friend. Oh my god. So this is the car wash, and we're gonna see how the car gonna look after we're gonna pick it from here. I think the most dirty was from inside, and a little bit from the body as well. So we're gonna drop the car here. My friend is here. Let's go. What's the plan now? There's any plan?
We'll go to Intikhab.
We'll go to Intikhab to pick up my other friend car. Let's go. Okay, so right now we came back to my friend garage. I dropped my friend Samir. I don't know what exactly he's doing in that car, guys. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much if you guys make it till to the end. And yeah, today we actually don't do a lot of stuff basically in the car. Most of the things, like we should take the car to other place to fix some electrical problem. Then after that we take it to the leveling. Okay, I'm not sure it's gonna take 1 day or 2 days to wash the car properly from inside, from outside, everywhere, guys. Thank you so much if you guys make it till to the end, and like always, goodbye. So this is end of this video, people who's watching it. You want to say something, Samir? Nothing?
Enjoy.
See you tomorrow. And how long the car will finish? 1 day or 2 days?
The car wash?
Yeah. Tomorrow? What time?
Evening time.
Okay, we'll be there, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye.